Alright, Lego Fanatics back again. We're just going to keep building like I said, so I need this piece. We're going to build the base here for this crab creature that's right here. Crab suit. Okay, so I need that, and I need this part. Then I need this. Okay, and then I have this part like this. Then I have these two pieces, one like that, one like that. Okay, and then I need this one with the holes in it. I'm going to put this right here like that. I'm going to put one of these olive drab color right there next to it, slant. Green slanted 2x2. And this one here is going to go there like that. And then this is going to go like this. Okay. And I'm going to put this piece right here. So this is kind of just rounding out everything that's on this. I'm thinking this is going to connect to that somehow. Okay. And I need one of these ones with the hole, the 1x1 and hole. And then I need this piece to go on top of here. Okay. And then I need one of these green slant pieces. Like that. Oh, I see what they're doing. That's clever. Okay, so I need two of these. I need this one here. So as you can see, that goes there. And then this piece goes right here. Wow. Like I said, really cool. Kind of building it out. Got the detail going. Okay, so this one, I'm going to put this down because I need to build a piece here. So I need one of these going in here. Make sure the two holes are lined up. Because if they're not, then whatever you're trying to do is not going to work too well. I got this red piece like that, and then one of these connectors, and I think I need to have them like this. I have another connector supposed to go like that. Okay, and then this goes in here like that. And there you go. Okay. And then I'm going to need, make sure I'm putting this in the right place. There's a pink flower there. And then this weird looking bush thing, whoops, pushed on it too hard, goes there. And then there's one of these green flowers with a green, light green flower with a green flower, just like that. Pretty neat. Okay, so I need to put this down for a minute because I'm going to do these. I need an orange piece. Orange flower, it's going to go right on the tip of this, just like that. And then this piece is going to go right here, like that. And then I need this wiggly thing, and that's going to go in there, like that, and face it out right. And then this is going to go here, just like that. So like I said, the bases on this thing have the most color. It's really cool. Okay, and then I need to put put these things like this. There's going to be one here, just like that. And this one, oh, I see. I put this in the wrong place. This goes here. Got it. And then that goes there. Kind of cool. So like I said, Lego tries to hide some things so you don't see them, so it actually looks kind of real and authentic. Okay. So we're going to take this, and according to this, we're going to fold these in like this. So like that. And then I'm going to take this piece, this base. Okay, which way do I have this facing? So I'm going to have it like this. And I'm going to take this piece, and I'm going to stick it for the stand right in here, just so you can see it. And then this is the crab crawler, you know, and this guy sits right inside here, and there you go. All right, so on to the next bag. See you in the next video.